Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here, and here we have our platinum white Jazz SE. Of course, this car is a petrol and will take the E10 fuel that the government is now forcing petrol stations to roll out. Of course, we have purchased this vehicle from Honda UK itself, so of course this will have been used as a lease vehicle within Honda, so this will have been very well looked after both internally and externally. Anyways, moving on to the alloys. We've got 15-inch alloys here. Of course, I will go into each and every alloy just to show you the condition of all, but to my recollection, they are all absolutely perfect. Showing the rear alloy here. Of course, it's finished in platinum white, which is a very nice colour when in sunlight. We also have the rear parking sensors just here, and as you can see, this is a 70 plate. Into the boot now, you can see we do have plenty of room. We also have two sets of mats in the boot of this vehicle. Of course, that will be down to the vehicle coming from Honda. This car does have 60/40 split folding rear seats. Of course, showing you the rear wheel here. In the rear, we do have the cloth black seats with Isofix mounting points there. Just give you a quick look at them while we're here. Of course, we have electric rear windows, however they are not automatic. Moving into the front now, you can see that we do have all four electric windows, only the driver's is automatic. Window lock and central locking, electric adjustment with power fold. Now of course, moving inside the vehicle itself now, we do have a 6-speed manual gearbox, as you can see there. We have your stop start just there, and of course we have your HDMI, USB and 12-volt power outlet just there. We've got your air conditioning and of course your 7-inch touchscreen display, which comes with Bluetooth hands-free, controlled via these buttons here, and of course all your audio sources controlled via here. The bottom right is used to control your onboard computer. And while we're here, I'll just show you how many miles this car's on, 4,603. And of course, this controls your speed limiter and cruise control. And now we also have automatic headlights with windscreen wipers. Moving back outside the vehicle now, showing you the last remaining alloy, just here. Of course, we do have LED daytime running lights on the front of this vehicle, as you can see in bottom corners of the front bumper just there. But if you require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.